Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I think we have done enough with math for a little while. Let's knock out some stuff with strings. So alright, new line, tab, what in the world is this? So alright, let's just jump right into it. Hi Sam. How are you? Let's close this out. Print line. Run this. Whoa. Okay. Now let's come and add this. So we have that. Actually, let's back that up. Let's pull this over here. So okay. Whoa. What is this? So okay. Print. If I can type today. Print in, not m, in. Close this out. So this is a new line, and this t, close that out, is a tab. So that's how you do that. So if you are typing, let's see. All right, let's do this. Get that out of the way so everybody can see. Line, and we're gonna type in. So you can see it in action. How Python would build this. How is everyone doing today? Alright. Question mark. Close. Print new line. Alright, we have this and we have this. Now if we call new line, you'll see. So, alright. So it has our, right there, our never, our new line, and then our new line, and so on and so forth. So, and then if we wanted to put, and we wanted to tab over, and we wanted to make sure we had things in there, we'd use this. So that is the new line and tab usage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we don't want you missing a thing at all. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.